Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi guys. It is a very interesting day today. I thought it was gonna be sunny, but it's gloomy. German weather. But yeah, so I'm just shooting a vlog. Today we don't really have anything going on. It's a normal Friday. It is Friday, ne? Babe! It's Friday, right? Yeah, it's a Friday. We don't really have much going on. This guy. Oh, we don't have much going on, babe. What are we doing today? We literally just so yeah, I just woke up, took a shower. I am going to have some tea, and then yeah, I'm going to be I'm doing a course at the moment, so I'm gonna be busy with that. Maybe I'll do some language lessons, and then obviously hubby is working. He's working from home. They're not allowed to go to the office yet. Things are a little bit still hectic this side. So yeah, I keep on looking outside, like I'm at the window. It's gloomy. If I was to take this video inside like the house, I'd have to like switch on the lights, and yeah, it's kind of darkish. So I'm sitting by the window so like there's enough lights coming in, because yeah, there's no sun. We don't really get a lot of sun here, and I am slowly but surely losing my color. Like I have become lighter. Yeah, like every time my family and friends call me, like they just tell me, oh my gosh, like who is this? Okay, I'm being dramatic, but yeah, anyway, so yeah, it's just a normal day. Oh yeah, so later on, around 5ish, we're gonna go out with our landlord, Mr. Thomas. Yo, I'm talking a lot, but anyway. A leaf just like blew by the window and it scared me. I don't like insects. I'm afraid of insects. But yeah, anyway, so they go to this place like a couple of times in the month to pick up their water. So we're gonna go check that out so we can potentially also get some a water subscription basically. So yeah, that's all we'll be doing today. But yeah, anyway, come along and you'll see. So it's lunchtime and I'm gonna have a little bit of mac and spinach and mushroom. So it's like, this is a vegetarian dish from last night. So I'm gonna have some of that, and then because I am me, I'm gonna throw in a little bit of salmon pieces and a little bit of ham as well. So yeah. Guys, it is raining cats and dogs. Like, it's raining so hard and like with so much wind, and like we had to close all the windows because the rain was just like, we're on the top floor, but like the rain was just like, yeah, coming in through the windows because the wind was just blowing it in. This week we have had I think they call it a level 3 storm warning, like storm warning. Yeah, I think it's gonna be heavy storms, but like honestly it's just a lot of wind. Like the rain is there obviously, but like because of the wind, then yeah, I guess it causes a little bit of chaos. Babe, yes, I'm recording.
Oh, sorry.
It's fine. But yeah, I was just talking about like the storms that we had, like a warning of. Yeah, a warning of storms, I guess. Oh my gosh, let me show you guys. Like, you can't really see like the rain itself, but like you can kind of see it's raining, and like there's a lot of wind, so trees are moving, and yeah. So we literally like had to close all the doors. Like the rain is just coming in all the way on the balcony, and like guys, the balcony is dirty. You'll have to excuse that because I'm not about to be mopping the balcony and then literally later on the day it becomes dirty again. So I ain't about that life. I'll mop it once the storm warning is over. Die Mieter einer Wohnung, denn die Miete ist billiger. Mieter. No, die Mieter. Mieter ist billiger. So this is rent.
Die Mieter. The rent.
Mieten ist mieten Sie eine Wohnung oder ein Haus. Mieten.
Are you renting?
Yeah, renting. So this is renting.
It's a verb.
I guess.
Guys, gonna learn together.
Die Mieten. Die Mieten.
Oh my god! Oh,
Die Mieten in Wein sind teurer als die Mieten in Graz. So now the rent. Yeah, jeez.
So it's the same word.
Yeah. Also.
Renting.
Meter, mieten. Yeah, actually, because look, the meter is renter, and mieten is rent. Okay, so now I am done with my lessons, and just quickly gonna change and get ready to go with Mr. Thomas to the water place. The weather is looking much better. The rain has stopped, and it's a little bit sunny. Hey, bye. Oh, I thought Mr. Thomas had left. But yeah, I'm just gonna quickly change and see you in a bit. Okay guys, so we're about to head out. And yeah, we'll meet Mr. Thomas and the Helbig's downstairs. So we dressed. Tu's already downstairs. Sorry for the bad quality also. But yeah, let's head out.
Because
On
it's
the
quite
brush.
strong.
Bye.
Oh, it's quite stormy.
Oh yes.
If you
What's the
If you-
storm called?
if you look here, it's
Oh, it's everything that you picked up from the street.
yes.
So
The
it's the
bottom
trees.
also with the leaves and the things, and this thing above the white thing is just from now. When I went to the car,
So it's just
because they
Flying
fell
blowing
around.
everywhere.
Yeah, these trees, these poles.
yeah, there's a lot of
Small branches
wind.
cut down. Yeah, they say you shouldn't leave the house.
Oh, and we are leaving.
Oh, you want the back?
Yeah,
So
I'm
you
still
can-
in the back. It's okay. It's okay.
Road trip.
Oh, I thought Miss Angelica was coming with.
For what? For buying water?
Yeah, I thought we were making a whole trip out of this.
No. It's back and forth.
In and out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Great. So they say we
Yeah.
shouldn't leave the house because of the
Yes,
storm.
Yeah,
But it's
the
not
storm.
as bad here in Düsseldorf.
in the north of Düsseldorf, all the train lines are closed down.
Ooh.
Way in the north, like after the airport.
Like further up, maybe Wuppertal?
West.
No?
No, it's
Wuppertal
going to
direction.
Krefeld. Yeah, it's north to the airport. I mean, at the moment there's blue sky. It looks nice, but it's quite windy.
Yeah.
So look here at the big branches. You don't want to get it on your head if you walk
If
there.
you're walking.
And of course, it's dangerous to go into the park.
Don't forget your mask.
All the time. Drinkgoud. There you go. Drinkgoud. Drink.
Drink good. Oh, so it's like a normal store
But they specialize in.
like the stuff, right? Oh, okay.
Do you want to see it close?
Oh yes.
Here you go.
Fun.
Yay! So
There we go.
some more fun.
It's only small
And
ones.
how much we got? How much we got?
Wow, it's €1.50.
That's actually quite a lot for those people.
Yeah. No,
This
this one. Oh, that one. That one is the sparkling that you know.
Yeah, but it's medium. It's not
classic.
the classic Gerold Steiner or so. It's so too much sparkling. But this is
He likes that
Like
one.
the true German.
That's the one he likes.
I wanted to burn me.
have a look.
So
So you
it
want
is maybe
take
not-
these bottles and fetch some quiet water, or how is it called?
Yeah.
And you
This is
still
also
water, and
medium.
you.
I'll look around.
This is also medium. She classic. This is classic. Mr. Thomas.
Yes.
This one is classic, so it has more bubbles, right? So this one has
So
more
the
bubbles.
green-
This one you want to have.
Yep.
So the blue one.
I'll be back with you.
Okay. Bon voyage.
Bye-bye. Which one, please?
You want glass bottles?
There's this classic. I don't know what tastes better for you.
I wanted to burn me, man. I wanted
Oh my god. My husband is so like, he can't make up his mind. So this is gonna take a while.
6. Yeah.
6 of what?
In the glass classic. And 6.
You can't get 6.
I mean,
A crate.
yeah.
6 classic and
2 crates.
2 crates.
Yeah.
Both classic.
Yeah.
So much water. So much to choose from. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it's so windy. Look at that. It's just like, we're back home. Oh, look at that. Hey, it's tough. So we're offloading. Offloading. Yo guys, it was so windy, but thank goodness that the wind started to pick up once we got home and once we started packing in the water bottles and the crates. So fortunately for us, that was great. So yeah, we have come at the end of our video. Thank you guys for watching the whole thing. If you're still here, thank you for subscribing, and please feel free to comment down below, like and subscribe if you haven't. You still have a chance. Bye guys.